इरादा बना लिया ऊंची उड़ान का, तो फिर कद देखना फिजूल है आसमान का। सलाम एंड नमस्ते टू वन एंड ऑल। This is your dost and host Samiksha Kaushik, and I welcome you all to the third episode of SMC's exclusive interview series Dots to Anecdotes. Dots to Anecdotes is an initiative of Team SMC CVSTU, where we will be joining some interesting dots of life to form some lively anecdotes. It will be an amazing opportunity for all of you to watch their mates narrating their experiences of what really goes behind this veil of college life. So, get, set, and go. As Virginia Satir said, and I quote, "We must not let other person's limited perception to define us." Isn't it? And our guest today seems to believe in this. A hardworking and passionate girl who believes in herself and don't let any stone unturned. So, without any further delay, let us welcome one of the most smart, witty and brilliant girl of CVS, Miss Akshata Bhagat. Akshata, we welcome you wholeheartedly.
Hi Samiksha, first of all, thank you so much for that introduction and thank you so much for calling me here.
Thank you so much, Akshata. How are you?
I am perfectly fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also good. So,
That's great.
how have you been doing these days?
I'm just taking online classes, preparing for the examination in
Yeah.
home. Yeah.
Sailing in the
Everybody is
same
going
boat.
through the same situation. Yeah.
Why? So, Akshata, that is really nice to have you here. So, as you know, that today we will be talking about college life, and we are gonna feel college life through your words. So, I would suggest you to be comfortable, be free, and most importantly, be yourself.
Thank you.
Okay, Akshita. So, my first question to you is back into 2019, when you entered the college gate or when you just got into CVS, what were your thoughts? नया नया स्कूल की लड़की कॉलेज में आई है, कैसा लग रहा था?
Okay, so first of all, when I got admission in CVS, I had mixed feelings, to be very honest. I was feeling very nervous because I was about to start a new chapter of my life. I was a little tired because we were standing in the queue from a very long time. From the morning we have came to college, and in around 6:30 around we got off the college. And I was pretty much excited because we have always seen college life in TV shows, in magazines, and in movies. And I
Yeah,
was pretty much excited that
fascinating
yes, what
student of the year wali life.
yeah, exactly. So yeah,
Okay.
that was my feeling.
Yes, everyone goes through this only. So अब ये तो
Exactly.
आपने कॉलेज का बताया. अच्छा, इससे पहले अक्षिता कैसी थी? How was अक्षिता in school?
uh, I was a very shy kind of a person. Because shy and you can say sincere kind of a person. Because when I entered in the college, I was like, chup chup, rehna ekdam zyada bolna nahi. And now you can see a change in my life, in change in my personality.
Yeah,
I'm in front of you, giving an interview.
I can
Yeah,
clearly see what college has done to you.
exactly. So yeah.
Okay, Akshita. So while going through your form, I was reading your responses, and I got a very positive and lively vibe from it. Touch wood, be same. So like it seems that you have a very positive and energetic girl who is always super active. So you have achieved so much from your college, or I can say from your school days only, because I was through your form and you have participated in so many competition in your school days only. So here we would like to hear from you your journey in academics as well as extracurriculars.
Okay, so my journey was I have a very beautiful journey, to be very honest. In first
That
year,
is great.
as everyone has taken part in so many societies, I have also given auditions and interviews of almost so many societies in CVS, be it Dramanomics, be it Arpeggio, be it NSS, Green Brigade. I have
As
gone to
everyone
every
does.
every
Whenever
society.
I ask question to this, कि college में क्या किया, सबसे पहले we have given interview of almost every society. किसी ने 10 society का interview दिया होता है, किसी ने 15.
Exactly, because we wanted to explore ourselves and देखना चाहते हैं कि कौन सी society में कहाँ क्या exposure मिलेगा. So
Yeah.
as everyone, I have also given auditions, and उसके बाद when I came to second year, I have chosen some of societies, and now I have chosen only one. So I was a part of NSS, Karma, Mercadio, and Green Brigade. Obviously, I was the
Yeah.
marketing head at Green Brigade. I was the senior marketing member at Aghas, the Women Development Cell. I was also part of SMC in my second year because I was the coordinator between the society at Green Brigade and SMC. And recently, I was a part of TEDx series also. I was the social media head there. So yeah, this is quite about extracurricular, I would say, societies. And if I talk about academics, in first year, I got second position in whole tourism department.
And what are your positions now? Like in which societies you are currently in, and at what roles?
Okay, so I am only a part of Green Brigade right now in third year. I'm the president of Green Brigade Society.
अरे
Otherwise, I am
वाह.
not. Thank you so much. Otherwise, I'm not a part of any of the societies yet because I also want to focus on my career. I have done everything in till second year. So yeah, that's it.
That is great. प्रॉपर स्ट्रैटेजी है देखो. पहले सब कुछ एक्सप्लोर करो, फिर थर्ड ईयर में आके साइड लाइन हो जाओ एंड फोकस योर
Yeah.
करियर.
Yeah, because obviously, if you are in third year, you have to give competitive exams, you have to prepare
Yeah,
for that, you have to do
I completely
internships and
understand.
stuff. Yeah,
Yeah, and we are so much engrossed into those internships and all, time ही नहीं मिलता है बिल्कुल उसके अलावा.
exactly.
Okay, so Akshita, as you said, okay, you are the president of Green Brigade Society and you are working towards environment. So
Yeah.
as a young mind, like we don't not every young mind do so much for environment. Like we feel it's uncool to do for environment. अगर कहीं कूड़ा पड़ा है तो we will not step out of the car to pick it up. लोग क्या कहेंगे, छोड़ना, चलो आगे. Even if we are aware of the fact कि इन सब का क्या impact पड़ेगा environment पे, but still we youth doesn't do that much about environment. So I would like to know, okay, if you are doing so much, so how are you doing it, and how is Green Brigade in particular helping you in achieving your environmental goals or helping you to make environment a better place?
Okay, so you have said very correctly, Samiksha. Right now, everybody thinks we have to do something for the environment, but
Yeah.
there are very less people who actually tries to do it. So at Green Brigade, we really wanted to aware everyone that kuch environment is a very big part of our life. If there is no environment, we will not be on a good place. So our motto will be to encourage everyone, to aware everyone what is the environment actually does for us, how much we need it, how much we have to protect it. And for that, we have done so many campaigns as well. Because of COVID,
Okay.
from the past 2 years, we were doing everything online. We have done few webinars, we have done plantation drives, online plantation drives, and we have also we have done competitions as everybody does. But apart from that, we have also organized a virtual Earth conference. In that conference, we have invited international as well as national speakers, prominent speakers who were a part of doing these stuff, who are part of
That is
doing
really commendable.
doing betterment for the environment. So we have invited them and we have awared everyone. We have told everyone that how important environment is. And if we talk about offline, we have done so many initiatives. We have done cleanliness drives. We have done cloth drive. In cloth drive, we have collected the old clothes, from the college, and then we have stitched it and in cloth bags, and we have given it to the other people in our surroundings. Instead of plastic bags, we aware them use these cloth bags. So we have done these kind of initiative in Green Brigade Society.
दैट इज रियली ग्रेट. बहुत ही सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि someone is doing so much and someone is thinking so much. So ये it is really commendable job. I appreciate you. I appreciate Green Brigade and the whole members of Green Brigade a lot. They are making pretty good efforts, and kudos to the team Green Brigade and kudos to Akshata as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. So I was reading your form and I came to know that, और मैं ये ऑडियंस को भी बताना चाहूंगी, जितनी ऐसे चुपचाप अक्षता दिखती है उतनी वो है नहीं. अक्षता is pretty good in cultural stuff also. So I came to know that you are very much into music and monologues and all. So Akshita, what inspired you to make these monologues, and what do these monologues generally revolve around? Like what topics you cover? So would you like to tell us something?
Okay, so yes, I have made few monologues. It was basically around women. I have made few monologues related to domestic violence, how women suffers in that way. I have made one on body shaming, because recently we see that there is a lot of body shamings going on. So that's why I made that monologue. And I have done a monologue on environment as well, that how we have to protect it. So these are the main monologues that I have made. So yeah.
Yeah. So if we make these monologues, हम किसी के सुनने से या किसी के बोलने से इतना रिलेट नहीं कर पाते हैं जितना हम पिक्चराइजेशन से या फिर किसी ड्रामा से रिलेट कर पाते हैं. That
Exactly.
really touches our heart. अगर सीधा भाषा में बोला जाए तो जितना, अब खुद ही देखो, जितना हम लोग मूवीज से सीखते हैं, फिर जितना मूवीज हमें इम्पैक्ट करती हैं, उतना हमें आर्टिकल्स इम्पैक्ट नहीं करते हैं.
Exactly. That is why एक पिक्चराइजेशन का बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट होता है on a mentality of a person. That's why I was thinking that why not to make these.
अच्छा, you were thinking why not to make these, and we are thinking why not to show these to our audience. So इतना कुछ अक्षता ने बताया है अभी मोनोलॉग्स के बारे में, तो एक झलक तो देखना बनता है कि what she do and what it portrays. So can we have the monologue,
Sure.
please?
ओ कल्लू, कितनी गंदी दिखती है रे तू.
मोटी भैंस कहीं की.
अरे मर्दों की तरह चलती है ये तो. हट, तुझसे कौन दोस्ती करेगा.
अरे क्या पैदा करा था इसकी माँ ने इसे खा के.
कैसे कपड़े पहने
कालिक
हैं
की
इसने?
तरह है ये पूरी कालिक.
मेकअप कर लिया
काला
कर थोड़ा.
टीका भी ना
क्रीम
भाई
लगा
इसे
लिया
तो.
कर.
पता
अच्छी
नहीं
लगेगी.
कहाँ से आ जाते हैं.
आंटी
हटो
जी
यहाँ
ये
से.
तो आंटी
अब
जी.
नहीं करनी तुमसे बात.
अरे बहन जी
अजीब ही
ये तो.
लोग हैं एकदम.
आंटी जी है ये तो. आंटी जी. अरे बहन जी है ये तो.
अरे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा मेकअप से. क्यों मेकअप कर रही है. जैसी तेरी शक्ल है तू वैसी ही रहेगी.
ताने सुने दुनिया भर के, ऐसी हूँ वैसी हूँ, मोटी हूँ काली हूँ, सुंदर नहीं दिखती. थक चुकी थी मैं, मेरा दम घुटने लग गया था. ना तो खुद को एक्सेप्ट कर पा रही थी और ना ही मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत थी कि मैं लोगों के ताने सुन सकूं. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा था, कोई दोस्त भी नहीं था मेरा. रोती रहती थी, तरसती रहती थी कि कोई आके मुझे कहे कि तुम भी सुंदर हो. बहुत किया मैंने, और वो चीज ट्राई करी जिससे मैं खूबसूरत लग सकूं, पर मेरी हर कोशिश नाकाम रही. ये सब देखते हुए मैं टूटती जा रही थी, क्योंकि मैं खुद को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर पा रही थी. कभी बाहर जाती थी तो लोग ताने मारते थे, घर पे आती थी तब लोग ताने मारते थे. मुझसे नहीं झेला जा रहा था. फिर मैंने सोचा कि why do I need anyone to love me when I can love myself? Why does it matter that I walk like man? Why does it matter that I'm dark, I'm fat? All matters is that I am a human, created by the same God who created you. Then I started loving myself. I started accepting myself as the way I am. I love myself now. I believe in myself. और अब कोई मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता या मुझे ताने मारता है तो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि मैंने खुद को इस काबिल बना लिया कि मैं खुद पे भरोसा करती हूँ और मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़े कि कोई मेरे बारे में क्या बोलता है। खिलौना नहीं रही मैं अब किसी का, खिलौना नहीं रही।
लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग।
Akshita, what a wonderful and what an amazing monologue you have shown us. I literally don't have any words to explain how beautiful you have shown us such a important topic in such a short span of time. I really appreciate your efforts and really kudos to you.
Thank you so much, Samiksha. I'm very glad that you guys liked it and it actually made an impact, a little impact on
Yeah.
everyone's mind. So
Boon boon
I'm
se
really
sagar
glad.
milta hai. You know much.
Exactly. And we should start from within.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Keep doing all this. हम इसको दिखाते रहेंगे.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Okay, amazing Akshita. So अभी हमने सीरियस बातें करी थोड़ा, बहुत सारी हमारी बातें हो गई. We have talked very much about college life and all. अब थोड़ी मस्ती की जाए. So here
Okay.
is a round of rapid fire for you. इसमें आपको ज्यादा सोचना नहीं है, सिर्फ बोलना है. अब
है.
अक्षता माइंड को पॉज देना और मुंह को सिर्फ चलाना और सिर्फ बोलना जो बोलना है. ठीक है?
Okay. 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 Okay.
ओके, सो रैपिड फायर स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
फर्स्ट, एनवायरनमेंट.
Environment, life.
चैलेंजेस.
You have to cope up with that.
दोस्ती.
I'm incomplete without friends.
कॉलेज लाइफ.
Experience.
शॉपिंग.
Masti.
मालवीय नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन.
Speed.
CVS.
Experience, yeah. A
Staff
beautiful
rooms.
journey. Teachers.
ग्रीन ब्रिगेड.
Family.
अक्षता.
Passionate.
अक्षता's डेट.
Nervousness. I don't know.
अक्षता's डेट doesn't exist.
Exactly. Yeah.
Happiness.
Happiness. Mummy.
Amphitheater.
AC की हवा.
You have mismatched. एम्फीथिएटर में हवा नहीं होती है यार, सेमिनार हॉल में होती है.
Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry.
देख लीजिए सभी, असर दिख रहा है कॉलेज ना जाने का.
भूल गए.
भूल गए वो
It's been 2
amphitheater.
years. Yeah.
Yeah, so it was a round of rapid fire for you and you gave really rapid and honest answers. So thank you so much Akshita for this. So at the end, this was an interactive interview session for you. At the end, thank you Akshita for this really rapid answers. So I would like to say कि Akshita, a small town girl from UP who came to CVS and now is doing so much work with utmost dedication and so much perfection. और वो भी always with a cute smile. So Akshita,
Thank you so much, Samiksha.
how are you doing all this? I would like to know your mantra of life.
There is no as such mantra in my life. I'm just. It is just like just focus what you are doing. Just explore yourself. Don't be bothered about what people say. बिल्कुल don't be demotivated because अगर कोई लोग कहते हैं यार, don't be demotivated for that. And just focus on yourself. Love yourself. You will be achieving a lot more in your life. That was
Akshita.
it. Yeah.
That is really a simple and a beautiful message and a wholesome message. Because कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है.
लोगों का काम है कि
Thank you
बिल्कुल.
so much Akshita for being here. I appreciate this fact that you have spared your time for us, your precious time for us, and thank you for being our most wonderful guest. Thank you so much Akshita for being here.
Thank you so much, Samiksha. And I would like to thank the whole SMC team for giving me this a beautiful opportunity to speak in front of everyone, to speak my experience, to tell my experience to the audience and to the newcomers who are coming to the college. So I'm really thankful for that. Thank you so much. And yeah, all the best to the team for the coming interviews.
Thank you
Coming
so much,
sessions.
Akshita. It is much needed. I love the way you put forwarded your views and you explained the whole thing. I love the way. Thank you so much, Akshita, for being a third and the most wonderful guest. We really appreciate the fact that you are doing so much for the environment and you are doing so much good in your life. All the best for your journey and stay happy as this. Thank you, Akshita.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Samiksha.
तो अक्षता की कहानी तो हम सब ने सुन ली. Don't forget to like, share and comment on it. Till then, stay tuned and stay connected. हम फिर मिलेंगे एक नए एपिसोड में, एक नए गेस्ट और एक नई कहानी के साथ. तब तक के लिए टाटा, सायोनारा एंड अलविदा.